Welcome to Roll 'em. Today we'll explain how rotary die cutting fills the space in the packaging sector for shorter run packaging production. With just one operator, the Insignia features not only die cutting, but embossing, scoring, kiss cutting, perforating, and removal of the waste matrix all in one operation.
Hello, my name is Doug Sherwood. I'm the National Sales Manager at Roll 'em International. I will now take you through the steps of how our Insignia die cutter processes a printed sheet and converts it into the stripped out finished die cut product. We will start with the feeding system of the machine. The Insignia utilizes a deep sucker feed. This allows for a wide range of adjustment for different types of stocks and stock conditions, capable of accepting up to 40+ inches of stock in a single load. The Insignia can be utilized for both short and long runs. The sheet then transitions from the feeder to the register table, where we use a single side pull guide and head stops. We can pull from either side depending on the register of the press sheet. The head stops and register guide have micro adjustments to account for sheet angle. After the head stops and register guide, the sheet is transferred by gripper fingers by complete control through the cylinder section. The cylinder section for the IS6H system is comprised of dual magnetic cylinders housing the die tools, ideal for carton and box production. The sheets are die cut and scored during this process. Once the sheets are die cut through the cutting cylinders, the sheet exits onto a vacuum conveyor that will transport the sheet through the Insignia stripping section to remove the cut product from the waste or matrix of the sheet. The finished pieces are then shingle stacked on the exit conveyor. Now we will show a demonstration of a 2-up cross-scored folding carton using a set of dies where we are die cutting and scoring from both sides of a sheet in a single pass. Boxes are die cut and scored on both the top and the bottom. On this carton design, we applied scores to outline the Harlequin diamond pattern, which enhances the print pattern.
To further automate the packaging process, the advantage converting system can run either near line, as we'll show today, or in line with the die cutter for uninterrupted production.
I would like to leave you with some specifications on the Insignia product line. Insignia comes in 4 models to handle multiple press sheets: 20 by 15, 20 by 20, 24 by 24, and 30 by 24. It's available in single magnetic or dual magnetic cylinder configuration. Comes standard with stripping unit and conveyor delivery table. And last but not least, Insignia is proudly manufactured in the USA.
While Insignia is ideal for custom and shorter run work, it's also a production built machine capable of speeds up to 4,500 sheets per hour. Please proceed to the following link for more information on all things Insignia related. Thank you for joining us in our discussion today.